Hey, this is Daniel from SubEffects.com. We'd like to show off our new hoodies that we have. You can get full custom designs on these with even logos on the hoodie. We've also got non-zipper versions, and you can get them with pockets or without pockets. And these are definitely high quality and very warm. Whenever you have, you live in a cold area or you have work outside, especially in the winter time, these are going to be very useful and also advertise your company at the same time. We hope that you check out the website at SubEffects.com and get one designed today.